We are super excited to invite you to come and make a Teacup Fairy Garden. Just $20. They are so fun. You pick out a teacup, you pick out anything you want to put in it, anything, and we have everything. Everything you want. We have tons of fun things to get creative with, from fairy wings, different kinds of fairy wings, all different kinds of teacups, and it just goes on and on and on and on and on and on. You can come in anytime our studio is open and make a lovely teacup fairy garden. Look at these cool little faces that we have. And I have faces that I have done. You can do your own face. Lots of little bits and bobs and so many things. More things than I can probably show you in 3 minutes. But let's try. Faces, all kinds of little words, little eggs, real ones. You can get so creative with this, you won't even believe it. Teeny tiny little hanging chandeliers. Look at these. Look at these little chandeliers. I've made these out of beads. You can use them. You can make your own. Look at these. How beautiful are they? And let me show you some of the finished products too, because they just come out so cool. So your teacup garden can be like a little centerpiece, or you can fairy it up, still be a centerpiece. Look at the little chandelier hanging there. You can get really creative with these, and we sell them too, but it's more fun to make your own. Look, you see that little fairy hiding in there? Let's zoom in and see her. There she is. You can get really creative. Oh my gosh, these are so fun to make. You can put a saucer on it and put a little ladder climbing up for her. Just let your imagination go. And best of all, here in the studio, you have so many things to look at and get excited about and get creative with. And you don't need a book for these. You just come along and just get creative in our Teacup Fairy Garden Center. It definitely is your imagination station. You can, it's endless. I'm babbling. I will inspire you, motivate you, push you to make the coolest things. We have all kinds of silk flowers and little silk doodads to put in for your fairy. And I gotta say, we got a super cool collection of teacups. Like, look at that teacup. You could pick that teacup. How cool would that be for your Teacup Fairy Garden? So many cool things, so many details. Come on in, get creative with us. Anytime that we are open for studio hours, this studio will be ready for you to make a Teacup Fairy Garden. See you here. Come on over.